Hey, hope you're doing really well. I'm down here in Hunter Valley. I'm actually on the course up here, riding my little scooter around, and it's just incredible up here in terms of getting away. This is something, as an Amazon seller, you would probably come across this either now or in the future. Is you do have to actually escape a bit. I mean, even though you are working from home, you are running your own business, you are essentially still working, and sometimes because you're working for yourself, you don't really have a boss. You know, there's no off switch in a way, so you do actually have to allocate time to rest and to head out and actually get more stuff done, or to recuperate essentially. So I'm up here riding around, enjoying the scenery, and I mean, I love golf, I love the driving range, I love hitting up the course, and I'm here for a few days. If you're up here in the Hunter Valley, reach out to me, drop me a DM below this video, drop me a DM or shoot me an SMS. Love to, if you're in the area, I'd love to catch up. And it's just so serene up here. And so this is something for you, just focus on rest. So if you are running a business right now on Amazon and you're working hard, and most Amazon sellers, especially right now, you may be experiencing out of stock issues, because right now Amazon is going berserk. Amazon is actually going pretty crazy right now. People are running out of stock left, right, and center, especially if you sell in the USA. If you sell in the USA, there's a good chance that you are essentially running out of stock because they just can't keep up with the orders over there. In Australia, it's not as bad. Well, it's not as good as that, I should say. It's not a bad thing at all being an Amazon seller. You're seeing some people are seeing Q4 sales, so Christmas time sales, during the April, May, and June. So it's not as crazy as it is in America right now, but it is still quite good. So if you are looking to, if you are running your Amazon business right now, don't forget to allocate some time for rest, recuperation, because it is in these times when you come up with new product ideas. It is within these times that you actually come up with new products to launch, right? So just keep that in mind, that when you're resting or taking a break, just take one day off, one day a week, allocate one day a week to finding new product ideas, because what you'll find is on that one day, you may come up with a new product, a new brand, maybe a new platform to leverage your products on. Stay safe, have a great day, talk soon, bye for now.